What up YouTube, we are back with more videos, and these are the Jabra Elite Active 75T. These are waterproof and dust and sweat resistant headphones, and they claim 28 hours of battery life. Other features of the box claim 4 microphone core technology, customize your music, I'm assuming with the equalizer, digital voice assistant as well, works with things like Alexa or Google Assistant and stuff. 2-year warranty that come when you buy these new, and 7.5 hours battery and 28 hours with the actual charging case as well. And also it's got a hear through mode as well, so I'm assuming that's some sort of noise cancellation sort of thing. Interesting little thing. On the side of the box it says superior sound for 150 years. I did not know that these guys have been doing audio for that long. So, pretty cool. Open things up first. Back again. So these are the headphones here. So they come with 2 earpieces. So I'm gonna pull these things out of here. Pull these all out of here as well. And also we've got a charging case which is just here. Charging case just comes out. So these are the headphones. We'll get to these things in just a second. Comes with a small little box with this guy here that was inside, and the box includes some replacement ear tips, information about the warranty, a little charging, it's a Type-C cable, so USB A to Type-C, and some other information inside the box. No, it's just that, just the warranty information. Okay, so that's that. We'll check out these headphones now. Put it back in there. Headphones already had a bit of charge on these things. So these are the headphones itself. That's the actual box itself, the charging case, Type-C port in the back, which you'd like to see, rather than having a micro USB thing which can get down if you put it in the wrong way. These won't. So it opens up like that. We've got a decent clasp on it. The feel of this thing is rubberized, so it's got a nice little matte texture, not glossy at all. The same thing applies for the earphones as well. So it uses 2 contact points at the bottom here, and again it also has got that same sort of rubber sort of feel, and it's got a button here, a physical button. I like to see physical buttons. I don't like touch controls at all. When you're actually using something like a physical button, you know you've actually pressed it, whereas a touch control, you know, you tap it and then you have problems with the actual tap itself as well. You're not sure if this will work, and again if you're just taking out your headphones you don't do anything. So just pop in like that. Little red light just came on just there, so and then I'll pop it all back in. So you see that, just that confirms it's charging, so it's inside the case, and little LED light just came on just there as well. So those are the earphones. Show a little green thing. And I assume that obviously these are automatically paired up and you just go ahead and just use them straight away. But these are the Jabra Elite Active 75 headphones. That was just an unboxing. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's been Ace as always. Like, subscribe. Peace.